All right, what we're after here is we're trying to find the growth or decay factor given the following rates. So we're given percentage rates, and we needed to convert them into the growth or decay factor. So and just to review here, the growth or decay factor is this entire piece, all that stuff that's inside of these parentheses. All of this makes up my factor. The growth or decay, the growth or decay rate is just what this R is. And this rate is expressed as a decimal. So really, when we're trying to find the growth or decay factors, we need to first convert to decimal. Convert to decimal. And then after we convert the decimal, we're basically just going to plug it in for R. So let's see how that works. Let's take a look at this first problem. We want to find a growth factor for a growth of 13%. So the factor, remember, is going to equal 1 plus R. And now I chose to use a plus because I'm growing, so I'm going to be increasing by whatever that rate is. So the 13% is going to be written as 0.13 as a decimal. And if you're having trouble, remember, to convert from a percentage to a decimal, I take my decimal point in the percentage and move it over 2 decimal places. That's it. Now I got to insert this rate as a decimal into R. So I'm going to have a 1 plus my decimal of 0.13. And I can add that up real easy to be 1.13. Here is my growth factor, 1.13. That's it. Second one, this one, the only difference here is I have a decay, and that's going to be a key thing to keep in mind here, because now when I'm looking at my factor, since I'm decaying, I'm going to use the subtraction of my rate. I'm decreasing by whatever my rate amount is. So let's convert 6.8% into a decimal. I'm going to move that decimal place over 2 times, fill that gap with a 0, and my decimal will be 0.068. Once I have that decimal, I'm going to use my formula here, 1 minus 0.068, put it all together, and I think you're getting out a 0.932. That is my growth, or rather my decay factor, since this is less than 1. Hope that helped. And as always, you can find a PDF version of this completed work right down below the video there for you.